My name is Fomba Pride Anyasi. I am from Bamenda, Cameroon. I achieved my ordinary level and advanced level in the year 2011 and 2013 respectively. And in the year 2015, I achieved the higher national diploma in shipping management at National Polytechnic Bamenda. I am applying to study business management at the Central University of Applied Sciences. I choose the Central University because it has one of the top 10 best educational systems in the world, and because of its well-recognized degree, it also has a safe and clean environment for studying, and it also offers opportunity for students to study for practical knowledge and also meeting people from other parts of the world. I think this program will help me achieve my dream career, in which I strive to be an entrepreneur and looking forward in setting up my own shipping company that can link my country with Finland. This program also offers opportunity for students to study in international relations, thereby doing business with other countries. After my higher national diploma HND, I work as an intern at the Limbe Port Authority situated at Down Beach. This was very fulfilling, in which I wanted to gain hands-on experience that I could apply what I studied back in school. This, however, made me feel well prepared to take on full study at the Central University of Applied Sciences, Finland. I am a quick learner and need more knowledge to build up myself as a future entrepreneur. I came to know about the Central University of Finland as a friend of mine is a present student in this institution and gave me positive knowledge about the institution. I also came to know as Central University of Finland is affiliated to National Polytechnic Bamenda, and students that have studied in Central University Business Management that have become strong entrepreneurs and wealthy men back here in my country. I also came to know about Central University of Finland from its website that explains strong potentials of its students that study most by taking part in projects. This, however, strengthened my faith to take on studies in this international institution, which I believe I possesses all the attitude and motivation needed to excel in my choosing field. I will be very grateful if I am given the opportunity to study my bachelor degree in this prestigious institution, and I will make sure I take the best of every opportunity that comes my way. Thank you.